guys, welcome to my first YouTube channel. My name is Marianellyy, and if you clicked on this video, it's because you want to see how I got the triple unicorn cut on my curly. I wanted a lot of layers in my hair, and I think that's exactly what I got, and I really like it. I wanted more volume since my hair was really long, but it was really flat. I wanted more layers in the front, as you can see. If you want to see how I got this cut, please keep watching, and this will be a voiceover to make it easier for you guys and easier for me to explain. If you guys have any questions about this, please comment down below and I will be answering your questions. I will be doing more videos about my curly hair, so if there's anything you guys want to see from me, please let me know. My next YouTube video will be Amazon curly favorites, so please stay tuned for that. And now let's get into the video. I hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. That will help me out a lot in this new YouTube journey that I want to take. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's get started. So first is first, you want wet hair. Here I'm basically showing you the length of my hair. It's pretty long, but I do want more layers and volume. So for this video, guys, you're gonna need 3 items. You're gonna need a pair of shears, 2 hair ties, and a comb. You're going to start by brushing your hair. You wanna comb your hair really good. You don't want any knots, so make sure that you brush your hair really good. Now you're gonna flip your hair over and you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna brush it, make sure you have no knots. This is very important, so make sure you follow that. And you're gonna comb to the front of your head like a unicorn. Okay, so then you're gonna wanna tie your hair. I'm just brushing my baby hairs. I should have combed my eyebrows, but please. Tie your hair, make sure it's secured on top. Then you're gonna want to comb again because you're gonna tie this part. Here I'm just showing you basically what I want to cut off, especially that little strand. Combing again my baby hairs. So you're gonna want to grab another hair tie, and you're gonna tie it where you want to cut. So now you're gonna grab your shears. Make sure your hair is nice and tight, and we're just gonna cut. Just cut straight through. That's how much I cut off. It's about, I don't know, 2 inches maybe. Yeah, I'm saying, oh my god. So now what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna cut some of the thickness off. So you're just gonna trim heaviness off your tips. So now I'm gonna take off my ponytail. I'm gonna flip my hair back just so I can see what we're working with. I was a little bit scared, but it looks good. The length is still there, and I want to keep my length. It's a little long still, but I'm gonna go back. As you will see in the end, I go back. And this is the length. Okay, so now we're gonna do the second part. You're gonna wanna part your hair from ear to ear. Basically half of your hair. I'm just gonna do a nice part. I'm gonna comb my hair, and I'm gonna want to do the same thing. I'm gonna comb everything to the front. Make sure everything's nicely combed through. So you're gonna tie your hair again, just like we did in the beginning. And then you're gonna wanna comb your hair again. comb it and then do the second hair tie at the bottom. Okay, so cut number 2, guys, is going to be a little different from the first one. You're going to want to cut at an angle, like I'm going to show you here, okay? Diagonal. You're going to want to cut your hair like so. I'm going to bring my hair down just because it's easier for me to see better. Okay, and now you see I finished cutting it, so I'm just gonna trim again, just like the first one. We're gonna take some thickness off the tips. So now we're gonna take our hair ties off. And we're gonna comb my hair to see what our cut looks like. As you can see, it gave me a little layers. You can comb your hair again to see how it looks. I want more layers. There you go. You can see how it looks. I want a little more. Okay guys, cut number 3 is gonna be your bang area. You're gonna wanna grab hair from your bang area, a little more from your bang area. This will give you more layers in the front to shape your face better. So you're gonna want to comb your hair like we did again. Okay, so the third cut is gonna be just like the second cut. You're gonna want to cut it at an angle, diagonal. And then do the same thing, cut some thickness off from the tips. Take your time with it. You're just gonna do little snips. Snip, snip. So you're gonna want to comb your hair again. You're gonna see what you're working with. See if you like it. I have a lot of layers. I'm liking it a lot actually. As you can see, I got my bang area layers that I really like. Perfect length for me. Comb your hair through. So I like the length, I like the layers, as you can see, but I want it a little shorter. So here I'm just showing you my layers. I'm liking it. I like all my little layers. That's what I really wanted. Layers and layers. So I'm gonna go for it, guys. Here you're gonna see me flip my hair back again and make sure it's really combed through. And I'm gonna do the first cut that I did. Here you can see that little strand that I showed you in the beginning of the video that I wanted to get rid of. It's still there, so I'm gonna cut that off. So that's why I went back. So I'm gonna cut my hair again, and you're not gonna cut diagonal. You're gonna cut straight. Remember, the first cut is straight and the other two are diagonal. Then again, you're gonna wanna cut the thickness off your tips. Just snip, snip again. Take your time, make it pretty. And now for the final result, I'm gonna take off my hair ties. I'm gonna comb my hair so I can see the length and the layers. And it looks good. I'm really liking all the layers I got. As you can tell, the V shape. Check me out, check me out. I like it. Okay. So this is the final result, guys. So if you guys give this a try, let me know.